To an expedition to blissful Kashmir. Silk sunset, shades of the white snow-capped mountain, ripples in the water. The heaven on earth, Kashmir has everything to offer. It's rich in cultural and natural wonders along with the myriad of historical and political pasts. Bestowed with lush valleys, verdant meadows, dense forests, majestic temples, and tranquil lakes serve as perfect scenic surroundings. Picturesque yourself floating through Srinagar's jewel of crown, Dal Lake. Take a shikara ride on Dal Lake, find peace away from the hustle and bustle of polluted city life. Here, spend your night at the houseboat docket. It's true, your trip to Srinagar is incomplete without visiting Mughal Garden, Shankaracharya Temple, and shopping from the colorful floating market. Do you consider yourself an adventure lover? Then visit Pahalgam. It's a scenic paradise with a number of trekking trails and camping sites. Do river rafting in the gushing waters of the Lidar River. Take a walk through the magnetic meadows to surpass Aru Valley and the Betab Valley. It gains popularity after shooting various Bollywood movies. Now it's time to soak in the panoramic views of colorful flowers sprinkled against the glorious snow-clad mountain meadows of flowers, Gulmarg, a famous skiing destination. Take a ride to the world's second highest cable car ride. Enjoy the chilly weather with a sip of warm Kahwa Tea. Explore the beauty of Strawberry Valley, Divine Maharani Temple, and many more. Have you heard about pony ride? It's the common mode of transport in the valley of Kashmir. Take pony rides in Pahalgam, Sonmarg, Usmarg, and Gulmarg. These are very popular. Next, get ready for the excursion to Sonmarg, Meadow of Gold. It's a town surrounded by stunning glaciers and serene lakes, covered in snow with beautiful flower-laden meadows in the majestic Himalayas. Walk along the exotic grasslands of Baltal, Thajivas Glacier, Manasbal Lake. Do explore Ganderbal, Kheer Bhavani Temple, and Narang Temple are the few major tourist attractions of Sonmarg. Don't forget to relish the Kashmiri cuisines. Delicious lamb, mutton, Rogan Josh, Nadru Yakhni, Paneer Chaman, etc. Aren't you excited to explore the real lifestyle of the heaven of God? Start planning your trip to Kashmir today. Book a blissful and amazing Kashmir tour package today. Socho mat ghumo with Maujitrip.com